একটা কফি শপে যে কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলবেন?
Hi, what would you like?
I want a coffee.
Hi, what would you like?
I want a coffee.
Small, medium or large?
Medium please.
Small, medium or large?
Medium please.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
Sugar?
Yes, one sugar.
Sugar?
Yes, one sugar.
Anything else?
Do you have cake?
Anything else?
Do you have cake?
Yes, chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate please.
Yes, chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate please.
For here or to go?
For hair.
For here or to go?
For hair.
That's $5.
Here you are.
That's $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please wait here.
Okay.
Thank you. Please wait here.
Okay.
Here is your coffee and cake.
Thank you.
Here is your coffee and cake.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Can I sit there?
Enjoy.
Can I sit there?
Yes, of course.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, of course.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is coffee123.
Thank you very much.
Yes, the password is coffee123.
Thank you very much. ইংরেজি শিখতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।